Hello, welcome to another EagleSix test video. We're going to be testing this customer's HK416 Delta, which is the next gen recoil shock. And this is our stress test just to make sure everything's solid and doesn't break and lasts a decent amount of rounds, i.e. that first game. And so we've done a level 10 build on this one, which is essentially every single Prometheus part. We've added on there EagleSix gold blowback arm on the top of it. There's quite a few people find that they break, so we've already just gone ahead and installed the aftermarket one on there. We've gone for the upgraded return spring on the recoil weight, so that's part of our level 9, just to get that returning faster, especially on these higher rate of fire TM recoils, and the whole sensation then culminates together to give you sort of that bigger sense of recoil effect. And level 10 being the gold trigger, so which hopefully you can sort of see there. It's quite nice, so it works well with the Delta look. I mean, the overall look of the gun is obviously fantastic. So with CTR Stock here, that's another thing we've done. The CTR Stock that was on there was one of those sort of Velcro jobbies. So we've fit an original Magpul one and then hollowed it out on the stock and the butt pad so that it doesn't require the Velcro. It's just a nice and neat solution for such a nice gun. We installed the gate tight in advanced and the LAX pin in here, which tends to fall itself out. So we've gone with R-hop on this one, so obviously ranges on a bare minimum very far. Obviously we recommend 3.2s and not to over-hop it too much anyway. So and what else? Action Army motor, so 30k, which is high torque, and yeah, that's essentially everything on the build. So FPS was 340 on 0.2s and 272/274 on 3.2s. So a very good result in terms of FPS there. So and we'll just send a bunch of rounds down range, just make sure everything's good. There you go, all tested, still working, so and we hope you enjoy it.